Welcome to Full Course Online. In this video, we will learn how to find the serial number of your PC. Windows doesn't display your PC's serial number anywhere in its interface. And neither do popular system information tools. But you can often find a PC's serial number with a simple command. Open a terminal to get started. On Windows 11, right-click the Start button and select Terminal, Admin. Alternatively, you can search PowerShell in the Start menu and click the result. You don't need to run this command as an administrator, but it won't hurt either. In the terminal, type or paste the following command. Then press Enter. Oh no, it's not working. That's because Microsoft deprecated WMIC starting from Windows 10 version 21H1 and removed it from Windows 11 by default. It is no longer available. So, to get the serial number, type this command instead. Then press Enter. And that's it, the serial number is displayed on your screen. The command is given in the description. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more such videos.